All right, I'm out here cleaning up the forest again. Cutting firewood, collecting old batteries, tin cans. Getting it done with the electric 18-inch bar Ryobi electric battery powered chainsaw. Got another great day out here. Clouds are rolling in, it's cooling down. Fires every night. But here's a look at what's killing these trees. I think that's the larvae cocoons. That's sawdust. But these are like the little cocoons for the pine bark beetle. But I think that's what they do. They eat that inner layer between the bark and the tree so it can't survive. And then, I don't know, what do? They just fly away and continue the cycle? Entomologists, let me know out there. Is this pine bark beetle? Alright, see you later. Peace.